Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, Charly boy Charles Oputa is a godsend to the YouTube content creator, and the reason why Charly boy Charles Oputa is a godsend to the YouTube content creator is because Charly boy Charles Oputa is a gift that keeps on giving. So now the story began when Deji Adeyanju surreptitiously recorded Charly boy admitting to collecting monies from Festus Keyamo. We've all seen the video, we've all heard the story, we're all familiar with this. So that story broke when Deji Adeyanju recorded this admission by Charly boy, and then Charly boy has subsequently been trying to rescue his image from that. So he's been on several media outlets to try and recover his image, to launder his image, and he's made several media pronouncements. So I'm going to play you a sequence of videos and audios of Charly boy attempting to launder and to rescue his image. So I'll play you these videos, and then after you've watched these videos, we shall come back and discuss the content of these videos some more.
We no waiting killing papa. Na mumu pikin, because that same thing go kill and join. Pikin, we carrying papa go market square. They threw poto for him papa body, sake he won't collect accolade. That pikin, na bad pikin. My fellow frustrated Nigerians and fans of Charly boy. First, I would like to clear up what I call the great conspiracy that has been going on in the Mumu Don't Do movement. As father, me I know say, consistency will always outwit conspiracy. You see, I've been noticing some Urugege walk out amongst my son, Deji Adeyanju and Rafa Debayo, since Deji was released from prison. So when he announced his resignation, the thing can make me suspect him more. So I thought, say, make I investigate this matter. I found out that there were insinuations that me, Charly boy, collect money from Festus Keyamo, when I only called him to come and see how to facilitate Deji's release. So as Deji come to me, I decided to play the game with him in my quest to see why his character suddenly changed. I suspected that it could have been the rumors that I collected money for a song that I dissed article, a song that I also lashed APC, because I know say up no good, down no good, everywhere turn around in a poto. So when Deji asked if I collected money from Keyamo, I played along now and say, Father, yes. I said, yes, I collected money. Just to know what Deji's story was and why he lost confidence, so we can fix it. Deji did not even wait to hear me out. After I say, yes, say I collect money, he immediately started to walk away. I suspected that he was up to something fishy. Deji, since in command prison, has been acting funny. Now you know the winch with the portion. I know say my son Deji come with tape recorder. Now do you see that my intuition was right? Deji was only interested in certain money that was collected, not the truth of the matter. You go here say them say. You go here say them say. You know can't confirm with father what the truth is. You can't record father. Now let me tell you the truth. Are you ready? There was no money collected from Festus Keyamo. No shishi was collected from Festus Keyamo. I purposely was dishing out figures to see how these boys, these Mumu people, these Akamu people, go they act. Now I believe say they are Mumu, now follow come. You know, see, as in the pass up and down, anytime I call figure, now 5 million, hey, now 6 million, hey, now 9 digits, hey, see you. Anything I call, hey. When people come, they send me account details, make I wire money to them. People who I know. Hello, Charlie boy. Have you sent this call? Now don't go kill me. Don't go kill me. See? Now I want to ask you a question. Question number 1. My people, I beg. Which kind of campaign were they going to do for election where somebody go give you 9 digits? 9 digits now, 100 million naira. What you they sing? You be Davido? You be Wizkid? Which kind of video be that? Which kind of video be that? No politician fit count that money give anybody for this Nigeria. Please make una receive sense. Question number 2. Why will Festus give me money for a song that I was cursing APC, cursing PDP? Is it possible? I beg, Joe. Make una receive sense. Make una go YouTube. All this is why they talk. The songs they YouTube. All this is why they talk. The songs they YouTube. Question number 3. Why was there no reaction from DJ and Raf when I did the song asking Buhari to pack and go? And they started to feel uneasy when I did the song about Atiku. Oh, I beg. Make we stop to play all this partisan politics now. You know, go help us, even inside our house. I don't talk up no good, down no good, everywhere poto. Let's have courage enough to speak the truth to power. We need a new leader for this country. You dey hear? Not all these nyama poto people we full everywhere. Now, the shocking thing is that this same Raf Adebayo, he don't block me from accessing my Mumu social media. He changed the password for Facebook. He changed my password for Instagram. Even YouTube join. As we speak, Raf has been using our Mumu Don't Do platform to send false and dangerous information about me. Because he knows I cannot access my platform anymore. I can't get him. Raf, what did I do? What did I do? So I collect money. Raf, me, I collect money. My own son, Raf. Where I bring you come from Lagos. Say him won't commot me area father from a movement me start. Is that possible? It could fit better for you like that. Raf, you won't commot me. The hope of a frustrated Nigerian youth. You won't remove a 68-year-old man fighting for the future of our Nigerian youth. A fight that I've taken tear gas for. A fight that I've taken water cannon for. They pushing me for who say market, they nearly kill me. A fight that I've sacrificed my life for. This is the conspiracy I'm talking about. You see, when Buhari was ruling the country from London, for 90 days, now from London it operated, we started resign campaign. He was forced to return back when our people from London go shout for his head, for his house, for early moment, and he take leave London. When protested for our brother's safe return, because if country good, why would our people be running away now? Why? When some of our Nigerian journalists were indiscriminately locked up, now we go protest for police headquarters, and ensure that they were released. You know, remember what we do for Were? When they shot dead in cold blood to Chuku? I beg make una take time, go Googles, go check what we don't do so far. You know they hide. Make you no come be say I don't Vayan. I have found out since last year what I need to do. And I need to do a lot, I know, to the remodeling of this Nigeria. It is not only during the election we go come out, they make noise. Okay? We should all come out and focus. We need to educate the people more on social contract. We need to engage our government more and demand for the people's basic right. We need to do more. We never even start. And like I said, this is a marathon fight. No be a fight we go end today. No be a fight we go end tomorrow. In fact, I may not see that dream of a new Nigeria in my lifetime. But I want to believe that the process has already started. From now on, we'll be doing a lot to set in motion of how to re-engineer our country. Because verily, verily, I say unto you, and I still believe with my whole heart, that the future, no be a fight we go end today, no be a fight we go end tomorrow. In fact, I may not see that dream of a new Nigeria in my lifetime. But I want to believe that the process has already started. From now on, we'll be doing a lot to set in motion of how to re-engineer our country. Because verily, verily, I say unto you, and I still believe with my whole heart, that the future of this country, the salvation of this country, lies in the hands of his exceptional youth. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and God bless you. I believe in a better Nigeria. I believe that one day, our Mumu will come to a final full stop.
So there you saw Charly Boy in media interviews on his Instagram handle, trying to launder his image and trying to paint black as white for us. But we all, of course, know what exactly happened. So now this guy has been found with his fingers in the tills. He has been caught with his fingers in the tills and is now trying to rescue his image from this thing that has happened. So just to refresh, Charly Boy was at the forefront of the movement against the Buhari regime, the authoritarian regime, the excesses of the government in power, and the attempt to rescue the Nigerian nation from oppression. Our Mumu don't do several matches in Abuja, in Lagos, etc., everywhere. He's always on the media, countless interviews. He's been on all of these premium and low rates and gossipy every interview that is available in Nigeria. This chap has been on it just to promote the idea that he's fighting for the common man. Our Mumu don't do is a phrase that he came up with. He is an artist, and you would expect from his artistry, from his skills, from his capacity as a wordsmith and a gifted singer, that he will be able to conjure up that sort of catchphrase. So our Mumu don't do, he came up with the catchphrase, and that catchphrase became a movement, and that movement became a gathering, and that gathering became a mass, and that mass became an impact. So that impact then swept up people like this Deji Adeyanju character and several other people. Even I, by osmosis, because I am not physically present in the movement, but I am psychologically present in the movement. So even I am part of that Mumu don't do movement, because my sympathy is with that line of thought, because my sympathy is always with anything that seeks to rescue the Nigerian masses from the oppression and the brutality and the corruption. Let me not go too far in that direction, but let me just say that I am in sympathy with all that our Mumu don't do type movement, or the Showoreism, the Mogaluism, all that kind of thing, because really the potential in Nigeria is something that is so visible to me and is so visceral that I am so agitated by it, and I so want it to be unleashed, and anything that enables it to be unleashed is something that I lend my sympathy to. So I lend my sympathy to our Mumu don't do. But as is always the case in Nigeria, the one expectation that you always have of Nigeria, and the one thing that never disappoints you in Nigeria, is disappointment. The one guarantee in Nigeria, the one thing that you can put your money on in Nigeria, is that you will always almost certainly be disappointed. So you place your hope, you place your person, you place your energy in something, and at the end of it is disappointment. And this is what's played out now again with this Charly boy, a real robust character from a upper middle class family, an educated family, an academic family, a robust family, a gold star family, a justice his father was, and then this is the product of that kind of lineage. And what does he do? He goes and collects money bags from the likes of Festus Keyamo, an area boy. In another life, Festus Keyamo will be an Agbero, because he still has all the tempos and the textures of an Agbero. So you have Charly boy, the son of Justice Okuta, going to collect dollar bags from area boy down the corner, motion boy, Festus Keyamo, and this is really the state of play. And now that his fingers has been burnt and he's been found dipping his hand in corruption, he's now trying to do mago, majo, and all that kind of razzmatazz, trying to paint black as white for us, and trying to use sort of low-level IQ to try and repaint what we've already seen. Charly boy said in his own words that he collects 9-digit figures from Festus Keyamo. These were his own words. The interviewer did not pressure him. The interviewer was actually prompting him to admit that he took 9-10 million, all this kind of low-level money. But Charly boy, ever been the boastful guy, was saying that he actually took money in 9 digits. And 9 digits is 100 million naira minimum or more. So this is what he said in his own words. So now that Yawa has burst, now that the backlash has come, this idiot of a fellow, Nwatamisio, and all this kind of nonsense. I used to like this guy, you know, back in the day when I was a kid, when I used to kick it about, when he used to sing Nwatamis and all this kind of nonsense. But really, again, as I said, the one thing that you can place your money on in Nigeria is that you're going to be disappointed. So if disappointment was a stock on the stock exchange, on the Nigerian stock exchange, that is really where you should place all your life savings in, because disappointment is a growing stock in Nigeria. Any and every person that you place your faith in Nigeria always eventually ends up disappointing you. And when they end up disappointing you, when you look into the reasons why they have disappointed you, that M word is always at the background. That M word is always the dark clouds that beclouds that firmament. That word money is always the reason why the person that you think is an upstanding person and a person of firm standing always ends up disappointing you. And that is the way of Nigeria. Now we have this idiot boy. Don't call him area father, he's an area boy. So I am renaming Charly boy Okuta area boy. He's no longer area father because he is no father of anyone apart from his children. He's an area boy now because his demonstrations and his display is the display and the demonstration of an area boy. So this area boy called Charly boy has now been found with his fingers in the till and is now using his low IQ to try and use majority on people who are vastly more educated and more intelligent than he is. This idiot boy sorry, I don't want to get too carried away with this video because I'm really vexed with this fella, and my real disappointment is because I have followed this guy pretty much since I broke into my teenage years and up to my age now. This is somebody that I've always enjoyed, that I've always had time for, and this is what he has now done. Taking money, not only taking money, it's not just the taking money, but taking money from somebody like Keyamo. Sorry, I don't want to swear because I don't want to fall foul of YouTube regulations or anything like that. But imagine somebody of Charly Boy standing, having to take money. Not only take money, taking money is taking money. We all know what money is. I know what money is. Anybody listening to my voice now knows what money is and the impact that money has. So I don't really have to tell anybody about money. We all know what money is and what money means. So taking money is one thing, but then taking money from somebody like Keyamo, some boy from Ajegunle boy, effectively, Charly boy from Ikoyi, taking money from Keyamo from Ajegunle, all of because what? He's Buhari's boy and he's a desperado. Oh, it boggles the mind. So the one thing that I've always said, and I'm saying now, is that the one thing that you can always place your faith in within the Nigerian structure is disappointment. If that was a stock in the stock exchange, go put your money in it, then your money will grow and you'll become extremely wealthy, because disappointment is the one thing that is guaranteed within the Nigerian space. Now, sorry that I've gone on a bit of a rant about this one, because this one really jars my senses, you know, because the disappointment is one thing, the characters involved are another thing, and the repetition is another thing again. It's an oh no, not again, another one. So now that's Charly Boy again, another one going in the dustbin of life. And how many more now are we going to put in that dustbin of life in Nigeria? This is really where the question is. So how many people have you put in the dustbin of life? Have conversations with me about the dustbins of life, Charly Boy and Keyamo, in the comment section. You can tell that I'm really vexed about this one. So this is one that I'm not yielding on, because like I said, I've always looked up to this fella Charly Boy, and the disappointment is one that I feel personally. How personally do you feel it? Talk to me about it in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation in the comment section, click on that red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell as well so you're notified as soon as I drop a vid. Once you've done both, come to the comment section with me. Let's get angry together. So I'll leave you here and I'll meet you in anger in the comment section. But now I'll say peace.